Hi, my name is Dr. Emily Splichal, and today I want to talk about a foot condition that affects millions of people, but often gets overlooked, and that is hammertoes. If you've noticed that one or more of your toes seem to be curling or bending in an unnatural way, you may be dealing with something that's both common and very manageable. So what exactly are hammertoes? Picture this. Normally your toes should lie flat when you're standing, but with hammertoes, one or more of your small toes starts to develop a bend at any of the small joints. This can create that characteristic hammer-like shape. It's almost like your toes are permanently curled up. This usually happens when the muscles and tendons in your foot become imbalanced. Over time, shoes that are too tight, too narrow, or too pointed can force your toes into this bent position. Eventually, the toe can actually get stuck that way. What many of my patients find frustrating is how hammertoes can make shoe shopping a real challenge. You might experience pain on the top of the bent toe where it rubs against the shoe, or pressure between the overlapping toes. Here's what I tell my patients. While we cannot reverse the hammertoes that are already fixed in that position, the right shoes can absolutely help manage the discomfort and prevent the condition from getting worse. When I recommend therapeutic shoes for hammertoes, I look for very specific features. First, and most importantly, a wide and roomy toe box. This gives your toes plenty of space to rest naturally without cramming them together. I also look for shoes with extra depth. This prevents that painful rubbing on the top of your bent toes. And materials that can stretch and accommodate the unique shape of your foot is extremely important. The shoes I recommend have soft, padded interiors that cushion your toes and eliminate any pressure points that can cause pain throughout the day. Good arch support is crucial as well. This helps keep your foot properly aligned, which can reduce strain to your toe joints. As someone who works with Orthofeet, I've seen how their design approach specifically addresses these hammer toe challenges, from the generous toe boxes to their pressure-free interiors. If hammertoes are making it hard to find comfortable shoes or causing you daily discomfort, I recommend considering Orthofeet shoes. They incorporate all the features I look for when helping my patients with hammertoes find relief. You shouldn't have to settle for support. You can stay comfortable and active.